directors of the South Pacific Fertilizer, chairman of FSC, sugar industry stakeholders, Congress Secretary for Sugar, farmers and friends, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinakana, good afternoon to you all. It gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon at the South Pacific Fertilizers Limited to commission this new plant. The upgrade of the bagging and blending facilities will ensure that South Pacific Fertilizer will be well positioned to meet cane growers' fertilizer requirements and double the current production level. The new SPF facility is world standard, as you can see, and similar plants can be found in Australia and USA. The new automated blending plant will have an output of 1,100 to 1,200 bags per hour, compared to the old one of 150 to 175 bags per hour. The new plant is a bag accuracy level of plus or minus 50 grams, I understand, per 50 kilo bag, which is a far cry from the erratic bag weight of the old system. The new plant will be operated by SPF employees who are trained on site by the Renco and LibriVolt personnel, respectively from USA and Germany. Renco and LibriVolt installed and assembled the plant. The new plant will enable SPF to complete approximately 95% of the deliveries before Christmas. And going forward, cane growers will be able to receive a consistent supply of fertilizer during the peak period between September to November. We welcome SPF's decision to invest in this 1.3 million plant. This investment will greatly complement the focus on increasing yield in new cane planting driven by the Ministry of Sugar, FSC, and of course, the farmers. I acknowledge and thank the input of the board and management of SPF. In particular, I thank the employees of SPF for your diligence and hard work. I also acknowledge Renco and LibriVolt for their support. Last but not least, I take this opportunity to remind all of you to register to vote. You must register, otherwise you will not be able to vote in the 2014 elections. I also urge you to make your individual submissions to the Constitutional Commission. Remember, no matter is too big or too small to talk about. Ladies and gentlemen, I now have much pleasure in commissioning this new automated blending plant at SPF. Now, thank you.